We must pay homage to him.
Okay, so we are here in Southern California, enjoying a nice little heat wave. So, my apologies about the sweatiness, but
We must pay homage to him.
so here we got the GT45 Universal Turbo over at MaXpeedingRods. The reason I'm so excited, which I already said like a minute ago, but is because this turbo would fit the truck. It's big enough for it to boost up the truck, so I'm very excited about this. I've seen turbos, I've held turbos, but man, I'm just excited because they've never been mine. Now this one, oh man. So here we have it open. Got some padding, and damn, there it is. 1 second, give me 1 second to fangirl a little bit about this. Oh my God, this thing is freaking beautiful. In just a second, I'll move the camera, get you guys a close-up on the turbo, but let me just take it out of the box and you know, get a good look at it and everything, and then I'll give you guys some more information about it, as what motors it fits, fittings, and how big the turbo actually is. So here we go, let's take it out. Oh man, this guy has some weight to it. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Let's just take it out of the wrapping. Oh man. So here we are, the GT45 Turbo. Man, this thing is amazing. Very excited about this one, guys. Okay guys, so the GT45 Turbo is a 98mm turbo capable of 600 horsepower. So like I was saying earlier, this is a universal turbo, and MaXpeedingRods does say that it goes from any motor that's a 3.0 liter to a 6.0 liter. So you have a variety of different engines you could actually use this on. Like for me, trucks. We have trucks from 5.3s to 6.0s to 4.8s. Even a little V6 4.3. And the greatest part is it's under $300. Maybe I'll get an install video going for you guys as well, but we don't know which truck, either giveaway truck or the Denali, but we don't have much time left with the giveaway truck, so who knows. But like I said, if any of you guys that are watching want to buy this turbo or anything else on the MaXpeedingRods website, go down in the description. My discount code is there. You can save yourself 15% off anything, along from coilovers to flip kits to a turbo. So have fun, and thank you guys for watching. Let's get an install video going on, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave a like, and can't wait to hear this thing spool up. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubs. Welcome back to another video. Okay, as right now in real time, I haven't freaking posted a video in, I want to say, like 3 weeks. It's been a freaking hell of a past 3 weeks. We moved into this this small shop right here. I'm renting out this little the back part of it pretty much, and I've been moving out all my stuff, bringing in all my equipment, all my fucking vinyl, all my merch, you know, pretty much everything I use to edit videos and make my own merch. So it's been a pretty busy freaking 3 weeks, so that's why I haven't really posted anything. But since this video's out, that means you guys have seen the past previous ones, which are Color Matching the Hood, the Spring Night Swing Fest, and There's one more. I don't remember. But yeah, guys. Badass decals, man. All right, guys, next day here. See, look, I don't even have that much time to vlog throughout the day because I don't really do much truck stuff or much stuff that I could vlog for you guys throughout the day anymore. Usually I'm like working freaking pretty much the whole day. And you know, when I get home, I want to spend time with my daughter, my girl. So yeah. Ooh, look, Corvette. With the IS. So today I'm finishing up this order that I showed you guys in the previous clip, and they're gonna be picking it up. I got a few more orders to work on for today too. One of the homies should also be pulling up. He's gonna get, I believe, a shirt also, and the truck is gonna be getting a little foam wash today as well because we do got to meet today. Other than that, that's all we got on our list for things to do today. Tomorrow we have a big meet right here at the shop. I got a grupo and everything. Los Obreros de California, some of the homies.
I'm right here on what series?
Series? Another reflective, but in gold for Gacho Racing. Then we got the detail right here, about to detail 3 vehicles. Yeah. Damn, we missed it.